Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So for this vlog is I'm gonna make a new video for today, and also I'm just gonna make an unboxing for today. So okay, so this is new, and this is flagship smartphone from Samsung Galaxy, and this is the Samsung Galaxy S23 FE. So okay, so let's go and gonna unbox it up. Okay, so I'm gonna just do it one hand. Okay, and also the other hand is also gonna be using my holding my phone. Okay, so it's because I don't have a tripod in here, so all of my vlogging accessories I left on Cebu, Philippines. Okay, so okay, let's go gonna start up. Okay. Right, here we go guys. So this is the Samsung Galaxy S23 FE. So okay, if it goes guys, and it's also a nice one also over here. So okay, let's go gonna open this up. So here it goes, and actually this is a gift. This is a birthday gift. This is a birthday gift from my sister. So and it has been a 2-year contract by Verizon, right? Okay, so this is a 2-year contract by Verizon. So in here is also got some what is inside it. Here is also the is paperworks, and also the SIM card ejector is right over there. So and here is also the charging cable, which is type C to type C. So I already have a charging brick. So there's also the USB-C PD, so power delivery. So less than 1 hour, so the phone is charging it up. So okay, here it goes, is the smartphone. So this is the Samsung Galaxy S23 FE. So gonna take it off from the gonna so it's so hard for me to take it off. So okay, there you go, there you have it. And it's also, this is the phone right over here. So as you can see, right, nice. And also really like it is because this is the flagship smartphone. This is the flagship smartphone from Samsung, right? So this is the Samsung Galaxy S23 FE. So nice, I really like it, and also nice, and also a good camera on it. At good camera when you got also some flash over there. So and then let's go gonna all right, okay, let's go gonna check it out. Okay, there you go everyone. So I already used this phone. So this one right here is also the menu, and also this is a good one, and I really like it. So it's so soft. So it's because I am using standard for the, I am using standard. So here it goes, and then got some new features for this phone. Okay, we got some new features for this phone right here at the, you know at the settings. So let's go over here at the settings, in which you can see more form of it. So you can check that I can protect my new Galaxy, so access pictures everywhere, and also sync Wi-Fi networks. And then also got some new new options to, so let's gonna check the about phone. So the S23 FE, and also SM711U, and it's also this is a 2-year contract by Verizon. So okay, nice. And we got this Android 14 version right there, and then there it goes, the Android 14 right over there. So okay, so head back. Okay, so we're gonna go back, and this is the software version for this one over here. And although security patch level, Anax version SE under status, so base version, and there it goes. And then got some new uh new new features from this one, right? So advanced features is the got also some advanced intelligence, right? So as you can see right there, it's smart suggestion, and also we got some Bixby, so labs, and also other nice other. Okay, we got some floating notifications right over there. So okay, nice one over here. So I just got the this one right. Okay, so and also we got some more widgets over here. Okay, and then also got some Google Discover. Okay, and then yes, you can see some applications. So check some widgets over here. So we're gonna check that widget over there. So we got some nice, right, and then also good. I really like it. So I really like it a lot. So you can customize the themes, the animations, right? So as you can see, this is the perfect phone, and also constructed a 2-year contract by Verizon, right? So I already have a phone here that's working here in USA. So since my other Samsung phone is cannot be used here, is because it is registered in Philippines, right? So what we see, okay, what we gonna see right over there is also this is also has a fingerprint scanning over right there. So okay, and then there it goes, and okay, nice one over there. And then also we got some power button, and then also the volume rocker, and then also the USB-C port over there, and the speaker. So and then also the SIM tray. Okay, you got the SIM tray and also the microphone, and also we get the camera on it. So okay, so this is a nice one and also perfect. I really like the color of it. So since I still don't have a case, so I still gonna find some case for it. So nice one over there, and it's already 6:14 in the evening, right? So nice phone, and also nice uh flagship smartphone, Samsung Galaxy S23 FE. So I think FE is the fun edition, right? Okay, yeah, fun edition. So good good camera, so nice edges over right there. So as you can see, the camera is fully gone out, right? So nice one, and also really like this. Okay, but I don't know what is this one. So I don't know what is this. Okay. Alright, so I don't know what is this one right over here. So nice one. Okay, so that's it for the that's it for the unboxing and the first impression for this marvelous smartphone for flagship from Samsung Galaxy. This is the Samsung Galaxy S23 FE. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell so that you will notify of upcoming future videos. Okay, so stay tuned for more. So I am still gonna finding a way to make a vlog. So since I am just living with the house of my sister right now. So I think 1 year from now I'm gonna have my own rental home or apartment so that I can rent, right? So okay, that's it for this vlog, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay.